Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to change Discord server nicknames. There's going to be two methods I'll be showing you how to use this today. And if this video does help you out, don't forget to drop a like below and leave a comment. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So let's get straight into it. What we're going to do first is open up Discord. So you can do this on the Discord app or the web-based application. And if you do want to find out how to change your Discord theme, like I've done here, what I will do is leave a link at the top of the page. That should come up now. At the top of the video, that will link to the tutorial I've done on how to do this. But yeah, what you need to do once you've got Discord loaded is, as I say, there's two different methods we're going to go through. Now, this does all depend on the server. So if you're in a server and the owner's kind of limited the use of changing your nickname, obviously it's not going to work. So you just need to try this on different servers. As I say, some will work, some won't. It just depends on what permissions you have. So the first method you are going to want to do is actually a command that you can type in. So if you come down to the text box of the server, so you want to select your server from the list on the left that you want to change your nickname for. And to actually go ahead and change this, what I'm going to do is type a command in, which is a /. Then you want to put nick. And then you want to put a space. And then what you want to do is put new. And then you want to put an underscore hyphen thing like this. And then nick. And then another space. And once you've put that command in, what you then want to do, you can see that's actually auto entered it. You want to make sure you've got the 2 dots afterwards as well to code on. And once you've done that, what you want to do is just put a space. And then after you've put your this command in, what you want to do is make sure you've got a space after. And like I say, just go ahead and put your nickname in, what you want to change that to. So I'm just going to change it to something like digits and then hit enter. And you see what's going to happen. You're going to get a message like this saying your nickname on this server has been changed to digit. So you can see my username is still the same. And if I go to this online menu on the right hand side, you can see that it shows up as digit, which is actually my nickname for this server. So you can have a different nickname for every server, and that's the first method. So if you've tried that, it doesn't work for any reason, then what you can also do is come up to the server settings. So what you want to do is come up to the top left hand corner of any server. You'll see where the names are, and they do have a drop down box like this. And then if you go and give that a click, and you want to come down and click onto edit server profile down here. And then you can see there's a box there which says nickname, so you can just go ahead and change it in here. So I'm going to go for digital T. If you want to change your avatar, you can do. So you can use a different avatar native for your servers, but for a couple more features, you do need Discord Nitro for that. But you should be able to change your nickname still, unless obviously the permissions are limited by the server owners. And then once you've done that, go ahead and hit the blue save button down here. And you'll see that's gone ahead and changed it to Digital T. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If this video did help you out today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.